Hi, Sarah Kesty.
Hey, Seth Perler.
Hey, everybody. My name is Seth Perler. Welcome to the Spring Reset. So, what we're doing here is if you are a parent of a student who struggles with school stuff, we're doing a Spring Reset where we have some experts teaching some stuff to help y'all and make life a little bit easier. And this is Sarah Kesty. So, Sarah, in this whole parenting education world for parents who have kids with executive function challenges and they want to reset so that the spring goes better, who are you? What hats do you wear in this education world?
Who are you to talk about executive function, Sarah Kesty? Hi, everybody. I am silly, clearly. And Seth and I were joking that I'm kind of uncomfortable talking about myself. So giving it my best here. I am Sarah Kesty. I taught for 17 years. I loved teaching. Actually, I was teacher of the year 4 times, which I'm super proud of. And I am now an executive function coach, an author, and a speaker because through my teaching experience and through my, really hearing kids, I quickly found that executive function was the key to not only helping them get through school, but to really embrace their brains and feel okay being in their skin and really like propel them to a life that they've chosen and feel great about and feel able to be involved in. So that's kind of why I'm here. And what I do is coaching, advocacy, speaking, writing. I love to train school districts and groups of even professionals like the Humane Society's had me train their volunteers a couple times. It's really fun to get out there and talk about neurodiversity and executive function.
And this is your site right here, sarahkesty.com. And this is our site here that you can share with people. But Sarah, what are people going to learn about this year at the Reset?
With me, we're going to learn about how to hack school. Specifically, we're going to learn about how to utilize the patterns and illuminate the patterns of school to really kind of give way to the tools for executive function that is really going to make this semester easier. And then we're also going to learn how to reduce overwhelm because it will happen because hello, humans. But we can get better at it and reduce the frequency and intensity.
All right, right on. Well, thank you so much. And parents, if you haven't registered yet, go ahead and you can register for free at executivefunctionsummit.com. Tell your friends about it. You can learn all about it here. You can check out the All Access Pass to see if you're interested in that. And we will see you January 6th and 7th. Thanks, Sarah.
Can't wait.